This is the truck Mahul. Back again, highway location, Nipigon, Ontario. This showed you proper procedure for my truck stop here. You see this guy from H&R, he does very good. He parked right there. You see he going for the coffee and all that, and he parked truck there. You know, he turned motor off. Very good, safe environment, you know, clean air, breathe good. But make sure you leave light on, leave all the light on. You know, safety. It's okay to block the fuel island and, you know, the people that need to go out, you know, it's okay. I mean, that's the entrance, and to get to exit, it's blocked. It's okay, though, because, you know, you're very important. You're from H&R Transport, so that's very good. Just to make sure you do proper procedure in very busy truck stop. If you're only going in for, you know, half hour, 45 minutes, it's okay just to go right there. But anyway, just keep truck right there. You know, you got a reefer on, you know, you're very important. Tri-axle, Peter Belt. Don't worry about everybody else. They all understand, you know, it's okay. It's okay to leave truck like that. You know, safety. You know, everybody, they'll wait. Everyone patient in the truck stop. It's okay, you know, they just wait for you. That's very good. He blocked him very good. That's good. That's okay, because, you know, he was in hurry. Very good. See, 45 minutes. This guy was actually maybe 41 minutes. There he goes to his truck right there. That's the proper way to do it. You know, he locked his door. Very good. Here he goes, going into truck. Just like that. See, very good. See, coffee down, he in truck, yeah, close door. You know, don't leave right away either. You got logbook, so just wait. You know, that guy's not trying to go anywhere. He's patient, you know, everybody very patient. The guy you could see him over there trying to fill up. He's done now, he's back up. See, he's okay, because exit is over there. So here he goes, okay, no problem. Everybody happy. Here we go, driving away. See, proper procedure. H&R, they hire anybody. You see, go out this is the entrance. You know, you can use the entrance as exit too. It's okay, no problem. There you go. See, you know, no signal. Everybody knows it's H&R. Everybody respect H&R. We go left, we go right. They all know it's okay. It doesn't matter, no signal. There we go, safety. Here I go, and there he goes. See this guy here, he parked his truck beside fuel pump. You see, he has to walk so much farther. I guess he wants exercise. He got all day, all night. He can just walk that much farther. See, he did good, because you see the rest of the parking spots, see, they are taken up, they're all full over there, so, you know, you have to park over here. But this guy, he goes so far away. See, these people, they do very good. They take, they park those divey first, but they only take one parking spot. I don't know why. You should take at least two parking spots. Safety, more room. But see, you nose divey first over there. It's too, you have to walk so far, you know, you gotta walk all day, all night. By the time you get back, you know, after taking a 45-minute coffee break, and, you know, it's like, you use up all day already. See, you have to walk all the way over there. You know, that's so far away to walk to the Demorden over there. It's such a waste of time. I don't know why anybody would. It don't make any sense to do something like that. Or them guys, QuickX, TransX, CoolX, DuckX, if it ends in X, very good company to work for. Only the best drivers go for that company. I want to work for them so bad right now. I wish I could work for them. Work for Dale Ross right now. You know, Dale Ross very good, but QuickX, oh, very good company. Thank you very much for watching instructional video via the Truck Mafk. I'm the Truck Mahul. Until next time.